the neat design is increasingly unstoppable. Most of them have now one of the graphic design application called Canva. However, there are still some people who do not know how to use Canva. Canva is an online graphic design application that makes it easy for its user to create various designs such as TV design, poster, logos, and others. This graphic design application is even very suitable and recommended for use by beginners because the appearance of the application is very friendly and easy to use. Here are examples of free filters in Canva that you can use. The first, animation. If you want to add animation in the form of GIF to your design, Canva can provide some free animation that you can use. The second, design template. Don't want to make a design from scratch? Relax, there are many types of free templates that you can choose based on the type of design. The third, photo and audio. Sometimes we also need stock photos with high quality to support the design. Fourth, edit the photo. What if you want to use a photo from a laptop or mobile phone? You can. How to add photos or videos to Canva will be discussed further in this article. After adding, you can also, edit a little of the photo to make it better. For example, by adding